Is your bed the type of place that you want to go to at the end of the day? It should be. If it's not, why not? Your bed should be the place where you go to rejuvenate. You should let those stresses of the day just melt away. Take that deep breath, crawl in, and feel comfortable, feel cozy, and know that you're going to get a great night's sleep. Celeste and I are going to show you how to put a bed together that is beautiful and inviting, has texture, and makes you want to go to your bedroom every night. So first of all, we've already got the sheets on this bed. We're going to pull up this piece, which is a little bit lighter weight. We've selected a solid color here. It's got a little bit of pattern on it, some texture, but not a whole lot because you don't want this piece to be really heavy on top of you. Now we're going to add another piece, and this is kind of the piece that you would think of as having a little bit more weight to it, a little bit more texture, gives you a little bit more warmth. So if you need to, this piece can be folded really nicely at the foot of the bed. If you get cold in the middle of the night, you pull it up, and we're going to show you how to fold it. This is called a Z-fold. So did you see how we do that? When you pull this back up, it's just going to lay really nicely against the bed. And then your last thing is really to put on your pillows, which are a really great accessory to throw up there. Adds a lot of texture, adds comfort. These pillows are Euro shams. So they're 26 by 26. They're bigger than your standard shams, but on a king bed especially, they stand up nicely. They add a lot of texture, a lot of color. This is where you can kind of play with that color, bring in some more patterning. And then these pillows are your standard king size shams. We've selected one that matches the coverlet. And then don't forget your really pretty pop of color at the end. This is a great piece that you can bring in to add, to pull all of those other colors together. It adds a great texture, adds a good pop of color, and it really makes that bed just look like it's been completed. So as you can see, it's a really inviting place that you want to go at the end of the day. It's comfortable. It makes you feel like you're going to get some really great sleep there. So enjoy your bed. If you don't enjoy it, come see us at Southern Loft. We can put one together for you.